Lamdam asida kumjali singani ka kulgu humdoidagi thoklakliba irang asida ima singbu lan uhannaba hotnariba amadi ima singna insillaga irang hawanbagi mawongda chatliba si sengdokpa changi haina Manipur Women's Gun Survivors Network and Northeast India Women's Initiative for Peace ki founder director Bina Lakshmi Nepramna phongdokre. Organization asida Mother of Manipur ga khusam naduna Imphal Hotel gi Sangai Hall da pangthokpa Manipur Mothers Peace Congregation the Wafamasi Fongdokibani. Tauramada the Bina Lakshmi Hai Manipur gi Ima Singh na Lauriba Taudangasi Yamna Chawuta Natana Singthaningai Oi Adubu Lamdamasigi Ima Singbu Lan Uhana Hotnariba Si Chum Toktuna Miam da Manipur Ima Singh Asi Lande Haiba Ama Kanghanba Matautai. Nupi Landagi Hogduna Nupi Singh na Lauriba Taudang Miam na Kangnaduna Lairabane Haiki. Lamdamasida Lairiba Mineral Sing asi Lokthokpa Yanaba Lamdamasida Land Thokhan Bani Haina Research Taubuda Kangmangam Lehaiba Wafam Bina Lakshmina Tamladuna Land Tauraga Mineral Loktokpagi Mahutta Lamdamasida Lairiba Miamga Tanaduna Tabak Taubuna Henna Fagani Tauramaduda Amkilgi President El Nganbi Imagi Mairagi President T.A. Suzata Senior Advocate Kaidem Mani Amadi Lamdamasigi Tungan Tunganba CSO Amadi Imaluki Luchingba Singh Sarukyaki.
No, my pipes, no pang peace conflicts are done by men with suits with men with guns. The kind of decision making they are some of the 50% opinion, 50% will be why out of the peace effort to command successful. The peace effort means successive like Northeast Indiana, there are 17 peace talks. And not a single woman is in. So city violence and finally, April 25, almost 26, Bangkok was second global summit. Global Indigenous Mothers March for Peace, Healing and Unity. Nang meeting se adugi Manipur ima sing so adugi join daw ko na. So may missing Bangkok sin ay